If you're a real estate agent, you already know the grind. Endless leads, long nights writing listings, and contracts that keep you up until 2 a.m. But here's the reality. The agents who are winning in 2025 aren't the ones burning out. They're the ones letting AI do the heavy lifting. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI tools every real estate professional needs to save time, close more deals, and dominate their local market. And if you stick around, I'll show you how we help agents at Harborview AI implement these tools so you can focus on closings and not chasing emails. Let's get right into it. First up, we have Structurally. Every agent knows that leads are your lifeblood. The faster you respond, the more likely you are to convert. But what happens when a Zillow lead comes in at midnight or 3 different people text you while you're hosting an open house? Structurally is an AI sales assistant that instantly responds via SMS or email. It asks qualifying questions like, are you pre-approved? Or are you looking to buy in the next 30 days? Then it nurtures that lead until they're ready to talk to you directly. Imagine you're showing a property, and within that same hour, 3 new leads come in. By the time you're done that open house, Structurally has already warmed them up and booked in an appointment in your calendar. That's the difference between chasing leads and letting AI bring the serious ones straight to you. At Harborview AI, we integrate Structurally directly into CRMs like Follow Up Boss or Salesforce, so your lead pipeline is 100% hands off until it matters. If that sounds like a game changer for your business, then reach out. Tool number 2, we have Restb.ai. Listing a home is one of the most repetitive parts of your job. You upload 30 photos, manually tag features, and spend an hour trying to write a description, hoping that it actually stands out. Restb AI does this for you automatically. It scans your property photos, tags everything from hardwood floors to granite countertops, then generates ready to publish listing descriptions in minutes. Plus, it double checks for compliance, making sure that you don't accidentally use language that could create legal issues for your business. Think about how much time that saves. Instead of wrestling with MLS uploads, you can finish a listing in minutes and get it in front of buyers fast. Now, the third tool we'll talk about won't be a surprise to many, but that is simply just ChatGPT. But here's the thing. Most agents are only scratching the surface. Yes, it can write listing descriptions, but imagine creating personalized buyer follow-ups after an open house, or generating monthly newsletters with local market stats in your voice, or even creating quick social media captions that actually sound engaging. For example, say you want to send a follow-up to buyers who toured a home yesterday. You give ChatGPT the property address and their feedback, and it writes a polished, friendly email that reminds them of the highlights and keeps the conversation moving. That's 15 minutes of writing cut down to just 30 seconds. But here's the key. ChatGPT only works if it's customized to your business. At Harborview AI, we build libraries of automations that make sure every email, text, and description sounds exactly like you and not like a robot. Our fourth tool is epique.ai. It's a free tool that Epique Realty launched for real estate agents everywhere. Epique.ai is a marketing powerhouse built specifically with real estate agents in mind. Marketing is where many agents fall behind, either because it's too expensive to outsource or too time consuming to do it yourself. A Peak generates professional quality marketing materials in minutes. Social media posts, ad creatives, flyers, brochures, you name it. All customized with your branding. Imagine running an Instagram campaign for a new listing without paying a designer or spending hours building it in Canva. One agent we worked with used epique to roll out a week's worth of marketing content for 3 new listings in just one afternoon. Tool number 5. Let's talk contracts. Every deal comes down to the paperwork. Missing a clause or overlooking a red flag can cost you thousands or worse, cost you the deal. With Docusign's AI-powered contract insights, you don't just sign documents, you have AI reviewing them in real time. It flags errors, missing fields, and risky terms so you can catch problems before they derail the transaction. Picture this. You're juggling 3 active deals and contracts are just flying in. Instead of frantically scanning them line by line at midnight, AI does the first pass for you, highlighting exactly what needs attention. That's peace of mind. And more importantly, your time back. We've set this up for brokerages where agents save hours each week and avoid costly mistakes. If you want contracts to work for you and not against you, then this is a must. Well, there you have it. The top 5 AI tools for real estate agents to dominate their market in 2025. We have Structurally for leads, Restb.ai for listings, ChatGPT for copy, epique.ai for marketing, and Docusign AI for contracts. Agents who adopt these tools now will dominate their markets tomorrow. While everyone else is out stuck chasing emails, you're out meeting with clients and closing deals. At Harborview AI, we don't just recommend tools, we help you integrate them into seamless workflows that work for you and save hours every week. If you're serious about scaling your business with AI, then click the link below and book a free consultation with us. Don't let your competition outpace you. This is the future of real estate.